Hi, I'm Isa, and welcome to Bayhana, the show where we talk about anything and everything about women, but not just for women, for everyone else too. Because you know, knowledge is power. For today's episode, we are gonna do the No Wi-Fi challenge.
No Wi-Fi challenge.
Why are we doing this challenge? I don't know either, but I think I just like to torture myself. So here we are. Basically, all I have to do is disconnect from the internet from now until 10 o'clock in the evening. And that's it. Char, mag-antos di ay to. So, I'm on my way to a meeting and I realized that I didn't even know where the meeting was at. I actually don't have my ka-meeting's number. I only have my project manager's number. We're calling him. I wanna show you my view. Wapa man di ay kayo diri. Karon ako ka-realize nga green di ay ang trees. Now it's lunchtime. I cannot order food. In order for me to cook, I need recipes, but I don't have Wi-Fi. What are we gonna do? Let's try to find something that we can cook. Oh, hey. Let's cook something I don't know how to cook. Chorizo it is. I think I remember that you're supposed to cook it with water first, or was that longanisa? There's so much flour. I've never cooked chorizo before. What's the difference between chorizo and longanisa? I don't think chorizo takes this long to cook. I can't even cook chorizo. Ah! Oh my god, magkisik siya. Oh my god, magkisik di ay yung chorizo. Basta ay mo burn, wait. Oh my god, it's burning. I think I'm not doing it right. Wait, basin ang tosino tong kailangan na tuon in water.
One eternity later.
I would like to thank myself for the making of this beautiful meal and not panlasang Pinoy. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to present my happy chorizo. She's so happy. It is officially 1:46. I just got out of the shower. Guys, nalibang ko karon. Unya bored kay ko. Like, I think I've read everything in my bathroom. Showering without Wi-Fi is very quiet. Magita there, guys. Hi, my name is Lisa and welcome to Bayhana. Usually when I shower, I always play like a YouTube video or I have Spotify playing in the background. But guys, flex ko lang yung bagong phone ko. Charot. Like, what ko ka-download daan sa akong music. So, boring ka yung mag-makeup. Wala ka storya. So, let's call my best friend. Babes, kibaw ka nga ako may nanawag.
Kasi may number.
Oh my god, naka-cellphone number na ko. Na-shock, ganit ko na ko yung number ni mo. Kalimot na ko sa'yo naong ni mo, babe.
Sandal ka, lalabot ang
Sige na, tita, pangitaan kag uyab.
ako'y sandal mo. Ako'y ganun kaliglan ta.
Mas kapoy ng taas kay mong adlaw na igabot ni mos balay, way mo hilot sa tiil. So I just finished doing my makeup. I think I'm just gonna clean. Welcome to my fridge! Tara! We've got some bread. Actually, I think expired. Some butter, some cheese, and we have some San Miguel Pale Pilsen. I really enjoy this beer. I want to drink this beer later. I realized that if I'm gonna go out today, then I need money. I can't grab. And I'm going to an event, so I need money. I don't even know if nakoy kwarta or not because I could have used an app. I'm not feeling what koy kwarta.
Kalaluoy na po ay 96 pesos.
Oh, hatag nigsin sa'yo. I literally only have like 100 pesos left in my account right now. I can't grab. Oh, na po, guys. It's 3 o'clock. I'm bored and I'm broke. I can't watch TV. I can't listen to the radio. I can't cook. Di pa ko kapaningil sa mga utangan ako. I know what I'm gonna do. Sweetheart, mag-away na lang ta na. If real life Isa can't use the internet, Sims Isa could use the internet. I don't remember on saan pag-cheat. So, ako'y kwarta sa among sawg kay semento. Wa mi pintal, guys. Pero na mo ang aquarium. Sims aquarium? Real life aquarium. My Sims house was homey because that's what people say when they see our house. It has cha-ching fast internet. What's the first thing that Isa wants to do? Social networking. Add to Instagram story.
Oh God.
I followed the house did no. Oh my god, she's looking at cats. I love cats. She's looking at girls. I love girls. Oh, she's on
Looks like
9 gag.
9gag.
My posyo. It looks like Facebook. Libak ning buang ay klaro kay tanan. I'll cook dinner, sweetheart. Watch me cook a fine dine meal. What did you do? What did
I
you
ordered Grab.
Why? I said I was gonna cook dinner.
I don't salik your cooking.
Sulbahisa ni mo pa, wey. Excited na bata ko muluto. Char lang. I'm not going to my event. For obvious reasons, if you don't know yet.
Hala ka, luoy na ko.
Paolo's watching YouTube on the TV.
Burn like 600 calories a day without doing anything. Not to mention the lack of sleep.
So in the last 2 hours, I have been able to wash the dishes, disfigure my beauty blender, rearrange my entire vanity. I was also able to clean my shoes, which is something I said that I would do 2 years ago. I've been the most productive in the last 2 hours than my entire year of living in this condo. So for today's challenge, I tried to not use the internet for at least 13 hours. And honestly, it was a very interesting day. As you can imagine, I rely very heavily on the internet. I am, after all, a content creator, and my main platform is online. It's 9 o'clock and my phone alarm is ringing because it's signaling me to upload on Instagram. I've realized that I've become so dependent on technology. But I'm not saying that there aren't any pros to this challenge. It was nice to not really have a lot of distractions, so that really opened up the wall of communication between me and my husband, so that was nice. I'm so proud of myself because I got to do this. I think that I really needed this day. So in celebration of all my successes today, because I honestly thought that I would never be able to conquer this challenge, I'm gonna enjoy my ice cold beer. I can't wait to drink this San Miguel Pale Pilsen because I've been dying to like reward myself the entire day. Tara! Beer tayo! Don't forget to follow me on all my socials. I am Issaplease, and of course, don't forget to follow the Bayhana community group. Let's have discussions, guys, because healthy discussions are welcome discussions. And of course, don't forget to follow By TV as well, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. I'm about to use the internet. I'm so excited. Bye! There. Kadaghan na ni Oy! Tara, beer tayo.